everyone. So today's video is based on the list of connectors. Now we have completed the introduction, how to write introduction, how to write body paragraphs, and how to write the conclusion. Now next thing that is very important for writing task 2 is a list of connectors. Over here I am sharing those list of connectors which are used to start or initiate any paragraph, whether it is BP1, BP2 or conclusion or BP3. There are other connectors also which we use in between the body paragraphs, but I'm not discussing it today in this tutorial. Today I will be discussing only these ones. Basically, connectors are the linking words which connect the sentences to show continuity and move on to the next point. It actually assures the linkage between the points, and it also tells the reader that which paragraph is starting. It gives a clarity to the reader also. But you should also not use a lot of connectors, because then that is also not correct, because somehow connectors give a pause. So lot of connectors are also not good, but definitely we cannot completely avoid the usage of connectors. So let's begin with today's video. The first one is body paragraph. When you go on to internet and you check, then there are many connectors that can be used to start body paragraph 1, but these I have picked some which are very basic and are actually you can say considered formal, because according to the new you can say changes in the IDP and British Council, many of the connectors have been converted into informal list. So these are few which are the latest one. We can always go with these. So first one is, whenever you start your body paragraph, you can mention to begin with, or you can talk you can write to embark upon, to commence with, to start with, and to initiate with. If you want to write that also, then you can write to begin with that, to embark upon that, to commence with that, but you will not put a comma if you have written the word that. If you do not write the word that, then after writing this connector, that is to begin with, you will put a comma. So comma and the word that actually acts as a pause. So either you will put comma or that, you cannot put both of them. Okay. Now moving on to BP2, when we have same content or same ideas in essay, like suppose we are agreeing with a question, and in both the body paragraphs we are giving the reasons that why we agree, then same content is there in both BPs. So we will be mentioning moving furthermore, in addition to, moreover, these type of connectors. But if the content in BP2 would be contradicting to the content of body paragraph 1, and that will be completely different. Suppose reasons and solutions are asked, or discuss both view and give your opinion is asked. So BP1 will have some other view and BP2 will have some other view. In that case, where both the views in both different body paragraphs would be different, over there the connectors for body paragraph 2 would be, on the other hand, on the contrary, on the flip side. For conclusion, we have very basic ones, that is to conclude, to sum up, in conclusion, and to summarize. Now moving on to body paragraph 3. Body paragraph 3 I have written in the end after writing conclusion, because this paragraph is only written in one type of question. Basically in all the questions you will be writing 2 body paragraphs only, so that's why I have mentioned those 2 and the conclusion that is made. There is one type of question where we write body paragraph 3. So for that question I have written these connectors. Now I have told you that we will be writing body paragraph 3 in which question type? That one, that is discuss both views and give your opinion. And body paragraph 3 you will be giving your opinion. So it is my opinion or your opinion, so the connectors would be accordingly, that is according to me, in my opinion, I reckon that, I opine that, I believe that, in my viewpoint. In between I have written 3 जिनके बाद मैंने that लगाया है, so automatically उनके बाद comma नहीं आएगा. The other 3, that is according to me, in my opinion, and in my viewpoint, can have comma and that depending upon you. So these are the basic list of connectors of writing task 2. and it is mandatory to write these connectors before starting a paragraph, because you are marked on the basis of connectors also. If you do not use connectors in your writing task 2, then definitely your band scores are deducted. So kindly go through these connectors and just always keep them in mind whenever writing your writing task 2. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.